Should we make like a racetrack? Get set, go, go! All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today with the one, the only, the incredible
Nigel Jones.
Nigel Jones and Aaron Caro, sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, who today will be riding, I've never ridden this before, I have no idea how it works. I guess it's a crazy cart. I don't understand.
I will teach you,
Okay,
my young Padawan.
first step.
So first, if you look underneath it, so you have your front wheel, which is your directional wheel, and then you have these wheels. When they're on the ground, they only can go like so far, but when you pull them up, it spins 360, so that way you can maneuver quite swiftly.
So when it's like this is forward, they're just kind of going straight.
Yeah, you can still drift, it's just gonna be not as,
Especially in here because it's so slippery.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, wait. I just want you to try one thing before you get going.
Tell me.
Now, turn the wheel like this, and then lift up, and fully accelerate. And go, full send. Keep it.
No!
Keep it 90 degrees.
What do you mean 90?
Right there. Keep it like that.
Oh my gosh, my stomach.
How dizzy are you?
That's what we should do. We should play a game of skate where we spin as much as you can and do a trick.
That's a good idea.
Kickflip.
Wow, that was good.
You still got it.
Nigel, take us on a run, brother. Whoa!
Okay, teach me how to Dougie.
Okay. When you go forward and you don't pull it, when you turn, you can see how much it'll drift.
Yeah.
And then when you're doing the same thing, like if you're going into a turn and you pull it up and then aim your wheel that way, you'll notice it'll just like the whole cart will just go one way.
When I'm driving it, I feel like a squirrel that's moving my hands like.
So I would say do a lap without pulling it up, just so you can like drift around and kind of get the feel of that.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Whoa!
Oh, first try? Highest wall ride.
Oh! Oh my God! Hey Nigel, I got a mission for you.
What?
Go up the bank and start up there and then drift down.
All the way down?
Yeah.
Let me go up first.
Oh!
Hey, we're taking it outside, gang.
Empty area.
Make a racetrack?
Oh, what? I'm gonna touch it.
Power slide into it, and then you gotta keep the wheels perfectly. There you go!
Are you kind of understanding how to sideways drift? Or
No.
not at all?
I mean, I did it twice. I almost killed Troy.
Yeah.
But okay, let me try. I
Go
feel.
forward, and then when you pull it, start to slightly go sideways, and then you'll feel like where you can have your wheel angle to where you can control it.
Like basically,
that-
Aaron, the idea is you turn this way to get it going, and then you turn your wheel the other direction to control your direction of the slide.
Great Scott! It's like a counter steering thing.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Wait, there's no brakes on this. I just realized, no brakes. Okay, should we make like a racetrack?
For sure.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Dude, it is so fun. Should we make a little racetrack?
With the jump.
Absolutely.
With the jump.
With the jump.
With the
jump.
jump.
The jump,
is-
no!
yeah, the jump
Man!
is essential.
No, the jump.
The jump is essential.
Brenda, no!
Go faster!
Oh my God!
One video. Chris McNugget
Full send?
out and like back.
I'm not scared. Full send.
Okay, okay.
All right, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Oh, it does.
I want it.
It's so sick. It makes me feel so sick.
Oh, Gabe's got it. Gabe's got it. Gabe knows. I've been practicing, boys. Gabe, my boost.
I'm so sorry. Dude, are you all right?
I want to drift around it.
Are you good?
Oh, my ankles are fine, but my boost.
All right, I'm sorry.
He smacks right. He can't drift. Uzi, why do you keep pumping it? That's not what you. All right. All right.
Best things we've ever gotten.
Oh yeah, 100%.
We're keeping these alive.
100%.
I'll protect these with my life.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah.
Let Troy hop on.
Troy, you gotta try it.
Okay, I think I kind of heard.
You
what
kind of
guys
get
went
like
over.
the grasp of it.
Yeah.
It loses all the traction.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
like-
and you can wiggle.
Okay, so we are going to begin the race. This is how this is gonna work. It's going to be first Nigel and Uzi, and then Gabe and I, and then the winner of that will be the champion. So you're gonna start right here at the door, and you're gonna progress into the Braille House. Then you're going to turn right, then you're gonna go this way, through this. Now this right here is gonna be deadly, dangerous, and very scary. Up and down the vert wall. And then you're gonna come out here, hang a right, go up this ramp right here. Then up here, I have a feeling somebody's gonna get caught on that. Then down this ramp, out the door, turn right, go this way, off of the jump.
No.
Yeah. You gotta hang around this cone. And then just book it as fast as you can to get into that door. Okay. Look at this guy, he's trying to soup up his ride before the race.
You doing it too, Nigel? Underneath is impressive.
Deflating mine a little bit.
Deflating? You crazy?
Release some air so it can be a little bit grippier.
Science.
Don't do this at home, kids. We've decided to remove the jump from the course.
We'll go around
Because-
it on the left side and then around that cone on the right. The orange one on the outside. So boop, boop, and then around.
It's a good idea.
Okay. Racers, are you ready?
Shoot back,
Get
Dan.
back here, you
Wait,
cheater.
Starting right here.
Wait, where'd you say to go around the ramp?
Go,
on the
just
left
go
side.
Around the ramp on the left
One
and
on
then
the right, go on the outside of the cone on the right side.
he's definitely
Maybe
gonna get
start
lost.
down, huh?
Yeah.
On your marks. Get set, go!
Oh, what a race! Oh! Get him, Nigel! Get him, Nigel! Oh no, go! Dan! I knew he was gonna mess that up.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought the same as Dan.
On the same path that we have.
Just race again. Line up.
All right.
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Oh, dang! No, around the left side of the ramp and then around the right side of the cone.
Dude, it is not that hard. Hey, I couldn't see what you were doing. I was out in front.
Out on the left side of the ramp.
Uzi won.
The inside of the right side of the cone.
Oh, okay, we had Nigel at 1-1, Uzi at 1-1, just Rochambeau, I don't care. He never loses a game of Rochambeau.
I thought he knew that I was going to pick rock. He didn't know he was going to pick rock every single time.
Aaron, you ready?
All right, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this thing is bumpy!
He's playing dirty. What happened? Get in there!
Oh, this is so bumpy!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
Aaron looks like he's got it down though.
Dude, this is super bumpy.
Right? I gotta figure out what's going on with that. We'll figure it out.
Peter out though?
Yeah, I think it's when you hit the down ramp right there, it just disconnects for a second or something. You have to re-engage it.
Dude, that was good.
That was smooth.
Okay. Nigel, Rochambeau for who gets the good one.
Is it what, me versus you?
Yeah. I'll take this one.
Championship round. What do we got here, boys?
This start gives me anxiety.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Cruz! Cruz! Making a move!
It's not. Hold up. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that.
Man down.
We need some elevators!
On your marks. Get set. Go! Oh! Gabe Cruz playing dirty right off the bat. Let's go!
Oh my shit! Ow, my shit!
Go, Gabe, you're still in this. And there can only be one champion, and it is Nigel Jones, everybody! Everybody played well. Everybody's a winner. I think that was... It said turn it off before you stand up.
Well, they invented these rules for a reason.
Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, Learn how to skateboard. That didn't hit the tail, did it?
That was bad.
Was it?